So hello and welcome to SB Cinema. Well, today a video for you living in the US trying to save money and effort. And this is not a legal advice, blah blah blah, don't do what I do, do what I don't, do what I say, do what I do. This is never breaking any laws. Now let's come to the real video. If you live in the US and you want to use a drone to shoot video professionally, the FAA requires you to get a license. And as I myself, being anarchist, I don't believe in license. And, well, let's put it like this. There is no word of any license and need of a license for anything in the Constitution. So, screw those licenses. Now let me tell you how you can avoid getting those licenses and still use a drone to get footage for your YouTube channel. Well, first of all, it has to be a light drone, which is no problem today. Light drones can have good cameras, not like this one. This has a crappy camera. The thing is, if you use it non-commercially, you can use it without a license if it is small. But if you use it for your YouTube channel, that's the problem. Then, even for the small drones, you need a license. Well, as long as you use the footage commercially. So, if your channel is not monetized and you don't make money with it, not via Patreon or whatever, then you can use it. But what you can do, obviously, you can have your friend operate the drone, shoot the footage for you, you know? Just a lie. But that's a problem because it's technically illegal. So what you can do is you can have someone take the footage and upload it to a website, you know? One of them free public domain downloaded video websites. Or even to someone's YouTube channel, yeah. Like someone's secondary channel. You mark it as Creative Commons and public domain, so there is no copyright on the video. And if you then download the video from this YouTube channel or better website and use it in your YouTube video, you are just using public domain footage. You're not using footage that was specifically done for you with the purpose to use it commercially in your video. It's footage that everybody could use because it's free and on the internet. Yeah, that's one of the ways you could theoretically dodge around this a bit. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Talking about stuff like this, I'm really wondering why nobody has yet flown one of those little babies into Area 51, you know? Obviously, the normal remote control ones, they don't work, but one with a fixed program GPS route on it, like, ooh, they should be able to sneak their way in there and see if they can find some, well, saucer-shaped objects. Not recommending, it's probably highly illegal, but, you know, I'm just wondering. Oh, I have a bit of a cold, sorry. Yeah, that's the video about how you can avoid getting a license for your drone. Which is really, I mean, yeah, the license, it's for someone who has just a YouTube channel and just tries to do his drone flights to make his videos a bit better. It's ridiculous how complicated and expensive this license is. Yeah, it's especially for the US, where you can fly ultralight airplanes without any license, but you need a license to operate this little toy. So you could just take a camcorder, jump in an airplane, and fly over the scene. No problem with the FAA there. But if you use a remote control drone, oh, we dare you. Yeah, that's why I don't believe in licenses. Yeah, license. Yeah, I don't believe in licenses. They should be a... Yeah. So that's enough. I have a cold. I have to end this video now. If you have enjoyed this video, there are tons more videos on my channel. Just check it out. There's surely something that you enjoy.